Hi, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and a whole lot of fun. We're going to be doing a demolition on an old concrete driveway for an old family friend. Her son and my sons were great friends going all the way back to grade school. They were always hanging out, played baseball together. Both he and Ethan enlisted in the Army. Jake actually used me as a reference for his enlistment. Jake is still in the Army at Fort Bragg and is looking to become a state trooper. So for this job, we're going to take the power bucket with the grapple, the power rake, and the dozer blade, just in case. You see this driveway that I have to demo, it's just crumbling concrete. So I brought a jackhammer. We're going to take the pieces apart, bring them up with the grapple, and put them in this dumpster, but I'm not sure I can get that back door open. I don't think I have enough clearance.
Son of a just dug in like an Alabama tick.
Dumpster was very poorly placed. I moved it as far as I could, and that thing was dug in. Anyway, she said I could carve the hill out and create a ramp, so I did. And I think I also found another yellow jacket's nest, the second one today. Can't believe I didn't get stung. So anyway, I'm here today, relatively close to where my dad and my uncle, who's never before been seen on this channel, but for those following the channel for a while, you recognize my dad. So that's Jack, that's my dad, Jeffrey. Anyway, they came over here to help me today demo this driveway and regrade it. Well, just the demoing part. You guys stood and watched me do most of the work.
Correct, yeah.
Yep. So, yeah, this is great. So a lot of fun. They just live over the hill, so they decided to come and help out. What can your lawnmower do? If you guys are enjoying these videos, don't be bashful. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell, and that way when we upload new awesome videos, not only will you be the first to know, but other people who would love this channel as well will be able to find us more easily. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I take the time to read them all and I respond. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.